Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SalesMate CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your SalesMate CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin from your SalesMate CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they decide to go their own way. So you need to remove access to your SalesMate CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SalesMate CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SalesMate CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an admin, you're going to click on your profile initial here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on this button, Setup. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to be sure to click on Users and Security. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this other menu, but make sure it's clicked on Users. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the admins and team members you have in your SalesMate CRM. You can see there's two in mine. So scroll through until you find the person that you would like to remove. Once you found the person you want to delete, go ahead and just click on their name. Okay, once you click on their name, you're going to see this box off to the right, and then you want to click on Deactivate. It's up here on the top right. Okay, since you have a limited amount of licenses with your SalesMate CRM, you need to allocate your license. So click here, and then you can deactivate this user and then release the license. That way it's not connected to somebody. Or you can go ahead and deactivate the user and invite a new user with the same license. For me, I'm going to go ahead and release the license. And now you want to go ahead and allocate their records. So choose who do you want the contacts, companies, activities, deals, all of this information. Who do you want it to go to? For me, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to myself. Okay, so once you've made those selections, click on yes. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now that person has been deactivated, so they no longer have access to my SalesMate CRM. So you can see that right here on deactivated users. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see their information. Now, if you want to, you can come back in and click on their name and reactivate them at a future date just by clicking into their name. Okay, once you click into their name, you can see the activate button here on the top right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or some sort of team member from your SalesMate CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.